look at me like I'm crazy. When I shut my feelings down, you look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Oh gosh, how rude. Let me do my intro. Hey guys. Nick.
Hey guys, how you doing?
We are going out for the night. It's a date night. Date night.
Yeah, date night again. Back at it again, guys.
Pre-Valentine's Day.
Cold out here.
It's cold and we are wearing like winter stuff. This is stuff that I would have worn up north.
Cold.
Nick has on a really thick sweater.
Yeah.
And we're actually going to the Restoration Hardware Bistro. So we haven't been there before and we're gonna see what it is like in there.
Yeah.
And
the last time we came by, it was pretty packed. So, you know, so whenever a place is packed, usually the food is good. So
we have our.
I'm a foodie, so I'm gonna let you guys know how good it is.
I want to say fingers crossed, but I'm not into the shenanigans. Looks like we need to be out here tonight because it's super warm. This is beautiful. We need one in the backyard. This is amazing. Getting ready to do the appetizer, and
guys, I'm gonna tell you how. Alright.
so Nick is definitely a foodie. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna give you a view of this place. It's beautiful. I like it. I love it. I would love to see what it looks like in the daytime, but it's definitely perfecto.
We're at the RH. It's called a Rooftop restaurant. Hey guys, look at her. My beautiful wife, guys. My beautiful wife. Look at her, man. Is she worth $1 million, right? Are you guys jealous? Who's jealous? Don't be jealous, guys. Don't be. I'm a lucky man. I'm a really lucky man.
You're so silly.
We're here at the RH
This is amazing.
restaurant.
What did I get? What is this? This is like a rosé lemonade. It tastes delicious. It's non-alcoholic and it tastes absolutely delicious.
I'm sure there's something, guys. I'm the only guy in America that drinks wine with a straw. Check this out. Look at it.
No, you're not, Nick.
Look at that, guys. Amazing. Alright guys, we're gonna check back in with you guys. We just ordered some appetizer. Once the appetizer get here, then we'll show you what it looks like.
How's your drink, Nick?
It's good. It's real good. I think I'm gonna get another one when I'm done.
What is it? What did you order?
It's a sparkling wine. I forgot the name of it.
I got a Fentimans rosé lemonade. It tastes like, it definitely tastes like roses. It tastes like roses and lemonade. It tastes good. You guys come here?
Taste it again? Look at all your makeup.
My lipstick is on there. My lip gloss. It's good.
That is pretty good though. I'm getting, this is a, what kind of board this?
Charcuterie board.
It's amazing, guys. This is kind of an appetizer, a little starter. Me and the queen, I gotta deal with a wicked look on our people. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, Nick, stop it.
Alright.
Okay, so this is, what is this? The fried, I guess the fried crispy artichoke and dip. So they keep saying that this artichoke is so good, so I have to try it.
It is good though, I'm not gonna lie.
You like it this time, Nick? For those of you guys that remember the last time we went out for, was it Nick's birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had artichoke and Nick was
bad.
like, I'm not having it.
What is this? Do you eat this too?
The artichoke.
Can you eat this?
Yeah. I lost it. Oh my god. Okay, forget this fork. We're doing it like this.
It is good, I'm not gonna lie. I had this cheese right here at what place name?
lobster
The
roll.
lobster roll, baby. New England lobster roll.
While we go ahead and dig in, you guys go ahead and take a look around.